Let's start by drawing a cute rhino. See how big and strong it looks. We'll make it colorful together. Now grab your colors and let's paint the rhino. Color its body a nice blue and don't forget to give its horn a touch of gray. The ears can be a soft pink, just like the ones on the rhino's face. Great job! You've finished your rhino. Now look at how bright and colorful it is. Keep up the awesome work. Next, we're going to draw a funny cat flying in an airplane. This little cat is ready for an adventure. Let's color the cat first. Use orange and yellow for its fur and don't forget to add green for the eyes. For the airplane, color it blue and give the wings a nice brown color to make it look super cool. Awesome! Your cat is ready to soar through the sky. It's looking amazing with its colorful airplane.